Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to separate number and decimal in Excel using the formula. Suppose in column A, you have a number like this with number and decimal, and you have to separate this number into exact number and decimals. So here we will be using some Excel formula. Type is equal to sign, then type for function int, select it, select the number and close the bracket and press enter. Select the number and drag it down. Now you can see all the number here in round column. In next column decimal, we will separate the decimal here and type it is equal to sign here, then select the number minus int, then select the number again, close the bracket and press enter and drag it down. Now you can see all the decimal here in decimal column. So by this way you can separate round and decimal in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.